Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my custom Christmas tree, which is like a custom mock. It's kind of messy, but we can get rid of that. Okay, so now let's start by taking this apart. Yeah, this isn't the usual. Alright, I got this taken apart. So now I'm going to show you all the pieces you will need for this basic Christmas tree. I'll show you the presents in a minute, but we have 1, 2, 3 cylinder pieces, 5 of these 2x6 pieces, 2 2x4s, and 2 of these 2x2s. So now, let's start by just making a basic pyramid. That's basically our tree. And now let's put it on top of our cylinders. Like that. And now I'll show you the presents I have here. Let's take these apart. Alright, now I've gotten this taken apart. All you'll need is 5 of these 1x2 flat pieces, 1 of these 1x2 jumper plates, 1 of these 1x1 flower pieces, and 1 of these 2x3 flat pieces. So first, you're going to need to put your jumper plate and 1 of these 1x2s like this. And get the rest of your 1x2 flat pieces. Put it on the places that I haven't put it, and then put your flower piece, and you are done. And then we can just add it to our Christmas tree. Oh no. There we go. It's better. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!